Nevada just dropped a bombshell that will send shockwaves through the transportation industry as Tesla's electric semi-truck zooms into the fast lane towards absolute domination. In a stunning turn of events, Hyundai's hydrogen-powered Class 8 semi-truck has been left in the dust. The comparison between these two juggernauts, the Subaru Mission trucks, reveals an undeniable winner. If you thought Tesla was already ruling the realm of electric passenger vehicles, you haven't seen anything yet. The moment Tesla's semi-truck hits high volume, the demand will be unstoppable, spanning the entire globe. Nevada is set to become the epicenter of this seismic shift in the transportation sector. Get ready for an adrenaline-fueled ride that will redefine the future. Let's begin. In an exciting development, Nevada has taken a significant step towards revolutionizing the transportation industry. With substantial incentives already in place for electric semi-trucks across various states in the US, Nevada has gone the extra mile to ensure that Tesla's semi-trucks dominate the market. Governor Joe Lombardo recently signed Assembly Bill 184, known as the Nevada Clean Truck and Bus Incentive Program, into law. This program provides attractive incentives for Nevada-based businesses and public organizations that currently own gas and diesel-powered trucks and buses, encouraging them to switch to electric vehicles. The incentives vary depending on the type of truck, with the highest-rated Class A trucks boasting the heaviest cross-vehicle weight receiving a base incentive of $175,000. While it is unlikely that Tesla will maintain the original 2019 price range of $150,000 to $180,000 for their semi-trucks, let's consider a hypothetical price of around $250,000. This would mean that businesses in Nevada could purchase a Tesla semi-truck for as little as $75,000. Surprisingly, that's less than the cost of a Tesla Model S or Model X. With such a compelling value proposition, every business in Nevada would be enticed to invest in a Tesla semi-truck. Not only does it have the potential to pay for itself within 3 years in terms of maintenance and fuel cost savings, but Nevada businesses could recoup their investment in as little as 8 months. It's an opportunity that seems almost too good to pass up, making it a no-brainer decision in the transportation sector. The impact of this initiative goes beyond benefiting Tesla's sales in Nevada. It will also have a significant positive effect on the air quality in the state. John Packman, the policy director of the Nevada Public Health Association, acknowledges that public health organizations across Nevada fully support the incentive for zero-emission transportation. Improving air quality is a challenging task, and establishing the Nevada Clean Truck and Bus Incentive Program will play a crucial role in reducing harmful greenhouse gas emissions and protecting the air we breathe. The statistics speak for themselves, as trucks in the US account for just 1.1% of the vehicle fleet but contribute to nearly 20% of emissions and 36% of particulate emissions. It is imperative to transition away from these fossil fuel trucks that significantly pollute the air in our cities. Nevada's bold move towards electric semi-trucks not only propels Tesla's dominance, but also sets a remarkable example for other states and the entire transportation industry. The path to a greener future and cleaner air begins with initiatives like Nevada Clean Truck and Bus Incentive Program, marking a crucial turning point in our journey towards sustainable transportation. While hydrogen has been touted as a viable alternative to diesel trucks, it has struggled to gain traction in the industry. General Motors, GM, could have taken the lead in hydrogen technology, having built their hydrogen fuel cell Electrovan back in 1966. However, over the past 57 years, hydrogen has failed to garner the necessary momentum for widespread adoption. Just like the mini disc, which was a promising alternative to CDs but quickly succumbed to the rise of MP3 players, hydrogen trucks have been overshadowed by the emergence of Tesla's pure electric semi-truck. Hyundai, a renowned car manufacturer with years of experience, has recently introduced its new hydrogen truck, the Axion Class 8 semi-truck. However, let's delve into a detailed comparison between Hyundai's hydrogen truck and Tesla's fully electric semi-truck. The Axion hydrogen truck offers approximately 483 horsepower, whereas Tesla's Class 8 Semi boasts over 1,000 horsepower from its 3 powerful electric motors. In terms of speed, the Axion can only reach a top speed of 57 miles per hour, while the Tesla Semi can climb uphill with a 5% grade and still achieve 65 miles per hour. Clearly, when it comes to performance, the Tesla Semi outshines the hydrogen truck on all fronts. Moreover, the interior of these two trucks is incomparable. Take a look at Hyundai's brand new 2023 Axion, which lacks the cutting-edge features and innovation seen in Tesla's interior design. Safety is another crucial factor to consider, and Tesla has created the safest truck ever made, incorporating armored glass and top-of-the-line safety features that make jackknifing impossible and provide excellent regenerative braking for downhill travel, preventing brake overheating. On the other hand, the Axion hydrogen truck houses 10 hydrogen tanks, each holding over 462 gallons of compressed hydrogen at a staggering pressure of over 10,000 psi. The catastrophic consequences of a tank rupture are a significant concern, as it could result in a disastrous explosion. Another aspect to consider is refueling time. Hydrogen advocates often highlight the advantage of faster refueling compared to electric vehicles. However, the Axion's claimed range of 450 miles on a full tank comes at the expense of a 30-minute refill time. In contrast, Tesla's fully loaded semi-truck has a range of 500 miles and can recharge 350 miles in just 30 minutes. Furthermore, Tesla's semi-trucks can conveniently charge overnight at the factory, eliminating the need for time-consuming visits to hydrogen stations. The cost of refueling also plays a significant role for companies. The Axion hydrogen truck requires around 151 kilograms of hydrogen, costing approximately $15 per kilogram. Filling up the Axion would set you back a whopping $2,265. As 98% of hydrogen production currently relies on fossil fuels, the price is likely to rise when green hydrogen, produced through expensive methods, becomes mandatory. This cost factor further diminishes the appeal of hydrogen trucks. Now, let's talk about Tesla's semi-truck and its advantages over hydrogen trucks. To begin, we don't have precise information about the exact size of Tesla's semi-truck battery, but based on its impressive 500-mile range when fully loaded, we can make an educated guess. According to Elon Musk, the battery is likely around 850 kilowatt-hours. Now, in Nevada, where Tesla's factory is located, electricity is priced at 18 cents per kilowatt-hour, just 1 cent higher than the national average. Let's work with this figure for now. So, filling up your Tesla semi-truck would cost approximately $153 unless your company has a roof full of solar panels for free charging. On the other hand, hydrogen truck prices remain uncertain, but based on the higher costs associated with hydrogen vehicles compared to electric vehicles, it's safe to assume that hydrogen trucks would come with a steeper price tag. As a company owner, you are faced with a decision. Do you invest more upfront in a hydrogen truck that offers no significant advantages and even lacks in range? Sure, hydrogen trucks may refill a bit faster, but considering that truckers are required to take regular stops by law, the 350 miles of range gained in just 30 minutes with a Tesla Semi is more than sufficient. Furthermore, the maintenance costs of hydrogen trucks are likely to be higher. Every time you refill a hydrogen truck from empty to full, you'll pay nearly 15 times more for about 50 miles less range compared to filling up a Tesla Semi from 0 to 100%. Now, let's imagine you're a company like Pepsi, with nearly 10,000 big rigs. Opting for Tesla Semis would save you around $2,112 per refill, accumulating to over $21 million in savings by filling up your fleet just once. And with Tesla semi-trucks providing an additional 50 miles of range, Pepsi would even get 500,000 more miles out of that $21 million in savings. No wonder Pepsi was willing to wait 5 years for the first Tesla semi-trucks. If you are the CFO of a company and you choose the Hyundai Accent hydrogen truck over the Tesla Semi, your financial decision-making abilities should be seriously questioned. In fact, you might be shown the door and never entrusted with financial matters again. Hydrogen vehicles, including trucks, have never made much sense, despite being around since 1966. The more we learn about hydrogen trucks, the more apparent it becomes that they lack a solid business case. While a few individuals might be enticed by hydrogen cars, companies are driven by numbers. Once they crunch those numbers and compare the ludicrous business case of a hydrogen truck to the superior Tesla Semi, the decision is crystal clear. Moreover, we are merely a year away from Tesla ramping up high-volume production of its semi-truck, bringing it into the mainstream. The sun has already set for hydrogen trucks before they even had a chance to shine. After 57 years of minimal progress, it's high time to bid farewell to that outdated technology. We are entering a new era in the world of trucking, led by Tesla and its unwavering commitment to a cleaner and more sustainable future. With their massive incentives and groundbreaking innovation, Tesla is spearheading the charge by producing the truck of the future right at their Nevada factory. Get ready for the exciting transformation that awaits the world of transportation. So, what are your thoughts about Tesla's semi-truck? Is it worth it or not? Share with us in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, show us some love by hitting that like button and leaving a comment down below. Also, if you're a fan of all things technology, be sure to check out this other video we've got lined up for you. It's packed with all the latest news, tips and tricks to keep you ahead of the curve.